I'm gonna show you how to contact Monese Bank. So to get started, you just have to open your browser and then go to monese.com, and then from there in your browser you just have to click on help. But if you have only a problem that's only a concern, you can just click on help and then go to common questions right there. And then from common questions, all you can see there that there is getting started with Monese, how to use Monese, or how to get best out of Monese. So if your question doesn't belong in that, you can go to help again and then get in touch or chat with them. And then from here you will just have to go email them here and there in this link right here, or their email address. And from that you can now contact the bank with the email if you have urgent matters, or you can just update them or chat them in the application, mobile application, by clicking on menu and app settings right there, and you just contact support. And then from there, if you have really a important and urgent matters, you can call them through their hotline in this right here. And that's it. That's how you contact the Monese Bank.